Good afternoon. Today in this vlog, as you can see, I am on the terrace of my house, and right behind me there are lots of flowers here, as you can see, and right here, right behind me is Bougainvillea. So this is actually called a Bougainvillea or paper flower, and as you know, the reason why it's called a paper flower is because of its petals. If you look closely into its petals, then you will see it feels thin as paper, and you can even see through it a bit. So that's the reason why it's called paper flower, because its petals feel like paper, like actual paper. Now there are different types of bougainvilleas here. For example, this orange color, this purple color, purple pink in combination here, and this color is very nice. It's a sort of orange or yellow. It's sort of like a yellow color here, and it looks very nice. And here's another purple one. It has a lot of flowers, and also there's this orange color, and even this white. There's even white color here, and this also looks pretty nice. And right here the orange ones are here behind. Here's some more. There are more paper flowers. This light pink one, and there's a lot of it here on this plant. There's some more bougainvilleas are also here. Orange, pinkish orange, purple, some more purple, and more light pink. And right now lots of paper flowers have bloomed, and here's this special one. Now this looks like a combination of white and pink. It looks very rare. Here, and also there's some more here, but they haven't had any color here, and so we have to wait a bit more just to get them. And here's a very deep pink. Now this is a very big cluster here. There's lots of them in just one area, and I think it looks very nice. I mean, it's just one big cluster.
This is our roof garden.
Yes, this is our roof garden, where we basically have also you have this bougainvillea here, and here's another one, and behind this one there's some more. This color is the same, purple, and here this color is a bit special. It's pinkish orange, which means orange and pink combined, you can call it that. And this also looks very exquisite. And some more purple, or actually more pinkish orange, some more purple. And here, I mean, just look at this. Yes, they're all separated from each other here, and lots of them are clustered around and everywhere. And these also look.
This is special.
Yes, this is special here because of its color, which is the main point of it. The color looks unique, and it's pretty nice to see a lot of clusters here. One here, and another one here. Now this is the largest one here. Now let's go to the other place here. And now at this plant here, and I have a lot of thorns here, and so make sure to not touch them. And they don't really have that much paper flowers here. And here's this one. Okay, this is way more special here, because if you can see closely here, it's sort of white. It's a combination of white, pink, and yellow sort of color. And also here is some white, white and green here on this plant, and some more paper flowers with and white bougainvilleas, and also here this. Now this is another special one, and it's light pink, and here it's light pink, as you can see here by just looking at it, and there are plenty of them here hanging around, and this looks very special. And over here another bougainvillea. We have a lot of paper flowers here. So here this is also a white, and it's also a bit white, a bit yellow, a bit pink. It's a combination of them all together.
Multicolored.
Yeah, it looks like a multicolored. Oh, and also, oh wait, let me just here. Now here's another one. We have a lot of them. Now here we have light purple. It's sort of light, and there's even white and lime colors here. Here, as you can see, you just look at it. If you look closely, it's white, and white is a very special color. And here's some more. Now here, this is paper flower. It looks very yellow and looks like gold. It almost looks like a gold, and this is also very nice. As you can see here, there's some light ones, some dark ones, and it looks like gold. Now here we have more purple paper flowers, and there are more clusters of them too, and more white ones right here, which have a bit of purple. I think there's a mixture in here, so the colors just mix, and thus we have these very nice patterns that happen around here, around this bougainvillea, and some more white and lime ones. And we have a lot of paper flowers as on our roof garden, and there are a lot of them bloom here. Oh, and now we have this paper flower. Now this one looks special as it is red, or it's a combination of pink and red if you look at it closely, and that also looks unique, and they are in very small clusters, so that makes them a little bit rare here on our roof garden. Now we have this. Now here we have a huge cluster of paper flowers, pretty much the same, white and purple. Yeah, the combination of white and purple, and they're really small, and also in a very small cluster right here. Yeah, and also very soft to touch. And we have another paper flower which is purple. Okay, I think purple is the most common here, and this also feels soft. Of course, the paper flowers do feel like paper because they are very thin, so that's why they have been given the name paper flower. But their actual name is Bougainvillea, and we have these stems coming out of here for pollination, and there is a korobi here, which is this is the korobi, and inside there are many stem-like structures in it, obviously for pollination, and only a few of them bloomed until now. There are like 2 of them here, 1, 2. There are 2 of them right now, but there will be more later. You can see these little buds. Now this is another special one, because for one main reason it's a color, another a red and pink mixture of a color, and it's also in a very big cluster all together here in a roof garden. Now here's this one. This is not a paper flower, it's a hibiscus here, and right here it is actually a blue hibiscus. And as you can see, it's unique because of its color blue, which is not very common in nature, and another stem-like structure which hibiscus do have for pollination, and that's a hibiscus here. So that's our roof garden here. And on that side, now we have another hibiscus as here. Now here this is kind of special because its stem stem-like structure in the middle has a hibiscus of its own, and it also has more stems which is used for pollination, because that is one purpose of flowers, and another hibiscus, as we have paper flowers and hibiscus. Now this is quite normal. It has the stem-like structure and also the pollen underneath, and it has very nice petals, shaped very nicely. So we have started from here, and we went all around the roof garden up to here. We ended up in the same place.
Your stress.
I think my choice will be this one, the one that we started from the beginning. And you can see this gold color. It feels very special, and I kind of like it. Alright, so that's all for this vlog. Bye.